Good morning. Welcome to another session. We shall be talking about information systems in global business today and some of the issues surrounding this topic. So, for our main objective for this session, we shall be able to know what exactly is information system, how does it work, and what are its management, organization, and technology components. So what is an information system? Simply put, information system is defined technically as a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. So information systems and information technologies have many different dimensions, and one of them is organizations. So we can study information systems in the light of organizations. So information systems are an integral part of any organization. Indeed, for some companies, there would be no business without an information system. In our previous discussions, we talk about, one of the reasons why many companies invest in information systems is because of survival reasons. Okay, because of the same reason, there could be no business without an information system. So when we talk about organizations, an organization is composed of people, structure, processes, politics, culture. Okay, so information systems can come out of this cauldron of differing perspectives, conflicts, compromises, and agreements that are a natural part of all organizations. So every time we implement information systems, it affects people, it will affect structure, just like what we discussed. Okay, it can eliminate layers of management, it will affect processes. Okay, it will be influenced by politics, and of course, sometimes it can also transform an organizational culture. Another dimension wherein we can study information systems is the management side of it. As we all know, the management job is to make decisions, formulate action plans, perceive business challenges, set the organizational strategy, allocate human and financial resources, create new products and services. As you can see, information technology can play a very powerful role in helping managers design and deliver new products and services and redirecting and redesigning their organizations. As we have discussed previously, we have to respond to rapidly changing customer demands. As we have seen in our previous discussion, that we have to respond to rapidly changing customer demands. Okay, so the role of management in the implementation, adoption, creation of information systems is very critical indeed. So we can study information technology and information systems in this dimension. All right. And another dimension of information technology is the information technology itself. Okay. So we cannot just avoid, you know, discussing about information systems without uh, looking at it in the point of view of our ICT infrastructure. Because for information systems to help managers in controlling the operation of the organization and in making decisions, it has to, we have to put in place first our ICT infrastructure. Okay? And in that aspect, we need to understand also computer hardware, computer software, data management technology, networking and telecommunication technology, including the internet or the World Wide Web. So all of these technologies, along with the people required to run and manage them, represent resources that can be shared throughout the organization and constitute now the IT infrastructure. So information technology isn't just about technology. Managers and business companies invest in information technology and information systems because they provide real economic value to the business. So the decision to build or maintain an information system assumes that the returns on this investment will be superior to other investments like buildings, machines, or other assets. So these superior returns will be expressed as increase in productivity, as increases in revenues, or as superior long-term strategic position of the company. So what are some of the contemporary approaches to information systems? Now we have to realize that when we study information system in this unit, okay, we have to realize that it's a multidisciplinary field. Okay, no single theory or perspective dominates in the study of information systems. So we can approach information system in a technical point of view, wherein we can emphasize mathematically based models to study information systems as well as the physical technology and formal capabilities of the systems. Therefore, we can study information systems in the field of computer science, all right, or in the field of management science, or in the field of operations research. So this is in the technical approach, all right. Or we can also study information systems using the behavioral approach. So issues such as strategic business integration, design, implementation, utilization, and management cannot be explored usefully without the models used in the technical approach. Okay? So the field or the discipline, the sociologist discipline, will look at how systems affect individuals, groups, and organizations. All right? So as we have seen in our previous discussions, it will really transform the business enterprise. And then we also look at it in a psychologist's point of view, how human decision makers perceive and use formal information. And of course, in the economist's point of view, understanding the production of digital goods, the dynamics of digital markets, how information systems change the control and cost structures within the company. So this is in the form of view of behavioral approach, right? So sociologists, psychologists, economists look at information systems in many different ways and approaches. So what is our approach in studying information system in this unit? So our approach in studying information system in this unit is using the socio-technical perspective. Okay? So, in this approach, we look at the performance of a system and we believe that it can be optimized when both the technology and the organization will mutually adjust to one another until a satisfactory fit is obtained. All right. So it's very important that the technology should adjust, the organization should adjust, and look for that perfect fit so that information system and the organization would have a harmonious relationship. People will be confident, competent in using information system in doing their day-to-day job. All right. Management will be confident, competent in using information that can be generated by information system in making decisions. All right. Top management can also be competent, confident in using information systems to take advantage of any opportunity, okay, and formulate strategies for long-term uh, perspectives. Okay? And in return, the organization can become more competitive, more sustainable, and can really respond to rapidly changing customer demands. All right. So that's it. So that is the end of our second lecture. Again, if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we shall be discussing them in our succeeding topics and sessions.